Video has become an increasingly important part of social media marketing, with a growing number of businesses using video to reach and engage with their target audience on platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. In this article, we will explore the use of video in social media marketing and provide tips and best practices for getting the most out of this powerful marketing tool. One of the key benefits of using video in social media marketing is its ability to capture the attention of the viewer. With the abundance of content available on social media, it can be difficult to stand out and get noticed. Video, however, is a highly visual and engaging medium that can help your content stand out in a crowded feed. Video is also an effective way to convey complex ideas and information in a concise and easily digestible format. Whether you are introducing a new product, explaining a concept, or sharing company news, video can help you communicate your message in a clear and engaging manner. Another advantage of using video in social media marketing is its ability to create an emotional connection with the viewer. Video has the power to evoke strong emotions and create a deeper level of engagement with the audience. By creating videos that are emotional, funny, or inspiring, you can create a deeper connection with your audience and drive greater engagement. There are a number of different types of videos that can be used in social media marketing, including live video, short-form video, and long-form video. Live video allows you to connect with your audience in real time, providing a sense of authenticity and immediacy. Short-form video, such as those found on platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels, allows you to create quick, catchy videos that can be easily consumed on mobile devices. Long-form video is more traditional in format and can be used to tell a more in-depth story or provide a detailed demonstration of a product or service. One important consideration when using video in social media marketing is the platform you are using. Different social media platforms have different features and capabilities, and it is important to choose the right platform for your message and audience. For example, Facebook is a good platform for long-form video, while Instagram is better suited for short-form video and visual content. Another important factor to consider is the length of your video. While there is no one-size-fits-all answer to the question of how long a social media video should be, it is generally recommended to keep videos on social media as short as possible while still delivering your message effectively. This is especially important on platforms like Twitter and Instagram, where attention spans are shorter and users are scrolling through a feed quickly. In conclusion, the use of video in social media marketing can be an effective way to reach and engage with your target audience. By understanding the strengths and best practices of video marketing on social media, you can create effective video content that captures the attention of your audience and drives engagement.